Legacy is something you inherit from your ancestors or create on your own. But it is also something you nurture and pass on. For centuries, our ancestors have crossed the Thar. Today, it gets bigger than ever before. Horses give way to horsepower, continuing generations of traditions. I am Abhimanyu Alsisar, and I'm driving from Alsisar to Bakasar on a never-before-attempted overland expedition. My friends and I will make a trip of a lifetime to cross the Great Indian Desert.
After 1945, when the World War II ended, a few jeeps were auctioned in Calcutta. And that's the time my grandfather bought the first jeep.
When I was born in the hospital, my dad, when he took me back to my house, I sat in a jeep and I went to my house. That is what I inherited from my father and my grandfather. That jeep.
Extremely passionate about it, so he gets like, he's like, don't say anything about my Jeep, because they're like, I guess, a bazillion years old, so they take certain amount of tender care.
So the whole inspiration of doing a journey like this came into my mind because of these stories I've heard about my ancestors doing a journey like this. Oh, the first person I shared this idea was with my younger brother.
Crossing the Thar was, of course, on my mind. I mean, I can't say no.
मेरे को अकेले करने में मजा नहीं आता.
So I told Dhruv ki,
You invite whoever you want to invite. I'll invite whoever I want to invite. शर्त ये है कि आदमी ऐसे होने चाहिए जो कर सकें इसको.
They're all obsessed with their Jeeps. It's an unhealthy obsession. I think it's a community problem. When all they do for fun is drive around in their Jeeps in the desert.
everybody who've come here today, the first vehicle they sat after they were born was a Jeep. So guys, first of all, thank you so much for coming. It's about endurance. It's not about speed. जीपों को रगड़ना नहीं है, ठीक है?
We are driving these old Jeeps which are ranging from 1940 onwards till the 1970s.
Though we've restored all of them back to its glory, but anything can go wrong because they are old babies, you know.
If you are an adventure seeker, you are looking for these challenges.
All my friends who are taking their Jeep, they don't even know what's hitting them.
क्या कहा था? When you drive in the desert, you cannot leave the accelerator.
It's about just pressing the accelerator and go as hard as you can.
This is just the beginning.
पहले तो Sandy, then we went through the सरसों का खेत, and then along the water body and things. तो बहुत variation बहुत था.
Camel resting on the right.
गरम पानी. अरे ये पहले बटर लाओ बटर और घुमा यूं घुमा.
There is an old saying, when you go to war, the first question that's asked is, food for how many?
I was not expecting the desert to be so beautiful. I mean, I've seen pictures, but experiencing it in this way is the first time ever. The way the terrain changed. हम run से घुसे and see the loose sand दोरे में.
Then comes the lava rocks and those big windmills. And then, you come on the rocky terrain, and then you finally come to Pitla, where the soft sand starts, where gaadiyan phasne lagi. The best part is, everybody's waiting up there for the jeep to come up.
ड्यून थोड़ा ऊंचा है, 45 डिग्री एंगल ड्यून है.
Don't leave the accelerator. आड़ा आप मेरा रास्ता लेना.
CJ5 just got stuck because gearing में थोड़ी देर कर दी. But anyway, we had the Rubicon to take it out. Imanshu, Rubicon for the rescue, please.
And then फिर वो गाड़ी आती है, उड़ती हुई, वो गई ऊपर.
Reaching Bordi was like hitting an oasis in the middle of the desert. We could finally pamper ourselves with a hot shower and indulge in some luxuries that we otherwise take for granted.
This is a dream come true. That's something that used to talk about in schools,
Arms on shoulders. Have everybody come and stand on this side.
I have a lot of stories in my bag to tell the world because I've seen a lot of people having jeeps. But I think so, ऐसा किसी ने नहीं किया होगा.
I understand privilege comes with the responsibility of taking care of people who support your ambitions.
For me, success is not to do things alone, but to do with my people. We have so many people with different age gaps, different generations, but what unites us is the Jeep.
Most of us would have never thought that we would be doing this, crossing the Great Indian Desert, in the peak winter in Jeeps. That is something you don't get, run by very often.
From Willys to Grand Cherokee to the Wrangler and the Meridian, the ethos of the brand is still the same. To give people that 4x4 experience no brand can give. Jeep है. इसका कोई alternate नहीं है.
And traveling with a gang is a different fun altogether. Everyone has a story to tell or a joke to tell or that giggle, that laugh. It was all a family moving all together.
And this, what we've done today, is legacy because we have created history. Success is a very big word. I'll be successful the day I cross all the deserts all around the world. I've crossed the Great Indian Desert. Now, someday, in near future, I would want to cross some other desert, some other part of our earth. That's my dream.